Hey G Squad, and welcome back to our channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm bringing you another hen recipe, and today I present to you my oyster glazed Cornish hen. And so if you'd like to see how I cook this delicious juicy charcoal hen, then keep watching. Alright family, so on the counter what you're looking at is all the ingredients we're going to use to create this hen. And so now I just decided to be proactive and just do a few steps off the camera. So I did a butterfly cut on this hen because I want to sear it, and it'll be easier to do it if the hen is flattened. So that's what you're looking at there. I already washed it, dried it off and everything. In the bowl, you're looking at the marinade, and so I used some oyster sauce as well as several other the ingredients that I have on the counter. I also added some minced garlic, as well as like a teaspoon of grated ginger and some honey. And then now what I'm going to do is go ahead now and season this hen. I'm not going to be adding any salt to it because the soy sauce as well as the oyster sauce has salt in it. So now let's get started with seasoning our hen. And everything that I'm using today, I will be sure to list it in the description box. So I'm going to actually start off with adding some olive oil to this because I want the seasonings that I am using to adhere to the hen. Okay, so once I'm done seasoning, I have a pan off to the side that's currently heating up with some oil in it, and I have it on a medium to high heat. And then also I have my oven, which is preheating to 375 degrees because we're going to pop this right in the oven once we're done searing it, and the hen is going to cook anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. Okay, so here is my pan right here, and I have like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here. And so now I'm going to add my hen, and we're going to start with the skin side down, and I'm going to sear this for like 2 to 3 minutes. So that oil can distribute itself. And so I'm going to sear this so it has a nice brown coating on it. These wings down in there. And I have my flame on a medium heat. And I'm just tilting every now and then so that oil can distribute itself throughout the entire pan. And family, while we're watching this cook, I just want to humbly and from my heart thank y'all so much for showing me so much love on my channel, on our channel I should say. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it so much. My family, like I said, is just growing literally daily. On a daily basis, we're turning into an army. And so, you know, much gratitude to you guys, so much. All right, let's see what this baby's looking like. Yeah, let it go for another minute. I appreciate the comments, the feedback, and you know, again, it's like I'm not a chef, I'm just a cook. Just a person who just loves to cook and just share different recipes. Alright, so let's turn this baby over. Okay, again, so let this go for a couple of minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this off. And so this entire pan is going to go in the oven. But before we do that, we're going to add my marinade. And so now what you don't want to do is double dip. So I'm going to take this spoon and I'm going to scoop out some marinade and add it to our hen. Because we're going to use some of this for later to actually baste this. And so you don't want to contaminate it by touching raw. Well, even though the skin is cooked, but technically the hen is still pretty much raw. So now using my brush, I'm going to go in and just dab. Okay, I also want to make sure I get underneath. Okay. Just want to add just a tad bit more. Okay, so now that I'm done with the searing and basting process, I'm going to go ahead and add this entire pan to the oven. And then halfway through the cooking process, I'm going to remove it from the oven and then baste it some more with the remainder of the marinade. Alright, family, so the hen has been going for about 20 minutes, so now I'm just going to add some more marinade to it. And go in with my brush. I did wash my brush. Okay, so now I'm going to pop this back in and just allow this to cook the rest of the way, but this is what the hen looks like so far. Alright, G-Squad, so I just took the hen out of the oven. As you can see, it's done, has a nice little char on it. And so now what I'm going to do is add the baste it with the last of this marinade. Okay, and so that's pretty much it. Nice, juicy hen with a nice little char on it. Yes. Okay, and so you can, of course, have whatever side you want with it, salad, rice, whatever, whatever, you decide to have with it, it's fine. But, yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this video. So, family, I hope you have enjoyed another version of my Cornish hens. I've done several versions now, so, yeah. So this is another one to add to our list of variations of, Cornish hen. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And as always, I appreciate you stopping in to see what your girl has going on in the kitchen. And I look forward to presenting my next video to you all. Alright, love you guys. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.